Last fly on the home stretch. Soon as I drive by that welcome sign, I don't need no map. I know this town like the back of my hand. Speed limit sign says 55 and I'm going too fast. It's where I learned to drink, where I learned to drive, and how not to do both at the same time. Catching up with friends, have a couple laughs. Nice to see you, how you been, man, it's good to be back. Home for the summer, running those red lights, flashing at midnight right off the highway. Rolling like thunder in a circle of headlights. Same old spot, everybody knows, everybody goes. Home for the summer, home for the summer. This place ain't much, but it's home to us. It's true what they say, the more things change, the more they stay the same. It's where I learned to curse, it's where I learned to pray.